Chromebook keyboard shortcuts. I'm Hewie Poplock. Learning keyboard shortcuts is not easy. If you do them a few at a time, it makes it much easier to learn and retain, but you do have to continue to use them or you will forget. Today we're going to learn some text editing shortcuts. Some you may know, and one or two may be something new for you. In this first example, we're going to talk about selecting all, then copying, pasting, and then pasting as plain text. In this first example, we've opened up our Chrome browser and we're looking at a website and some information that we wish to copy and paste. First, we highlight the information that we want, then using the keystrokes Control and C to copy that information. Next, we're going to open up Google Docs. First, we hit the Everything button, we find Google Docs, and we open it. Now what I'm going to show you is a little tip. By dragging the tab with Google Docs on it and moving it away from my Google Chrome, you can see that it gives me a second window, and then I resize them. Next, I create a blank Google Doc. Then I do a Control V and paste what I had copied into the Google Docs, and it includes all of the formatting, and it takes a bit of time, but then all of the graphics also are pasted. In our Google document, we now hit Control A to highlight all, and then hit the backspace button. That clears our document. Now hitting Control, Alt, and V, we get the document with no formatting and all of the graphics are missing, which is what we want. It has stripped the bold, the links, the colors, and the graphics. Chromebooks have built-in keyboard shortcut help just by clicking Control, Alt, and the /. That brings up a list of keyboard shortcuts. The shortcuts are organized by topics, popular shortcuts, then tabs and windows, and page and web browser, system and display settings, text editing, and accessibility. You can also search for whatever topic that you would like to find the shortcut for. Here are the text editing shortcuts, some of the ones that I just showed you. Here's a quick review. Chromebook keyboard overlay hints. How to paste text only on a Chromebook. Copy and paste on a Chromebook. Where is the delete key on a Chromebook? How to undo on a Chromebook. Take a screenshot of the entire Chromebook screen, and take a screenshot of part of the Chromebook screen. I'm Hewie Poplock, Chromebook keyboard shortcuts.